In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Microsoft Copilot on your PC. First, open the Microsoft Copilot app on your computer. Look for the menu that's next to your profile icon. This is often represented by 3 dots and is called Settings and More. Depending on your version, you might find it at the top right of the window or down in the bottom left. Don't worry if it looks slightly different on your screen. Microsoft tweaks the layout from time to time, but the option you need will be there. Click that 3 dots menu, and a small menu will appear with several options. Choose Settings. If you see a gear icon instead, that's the same thing. Go ahead and select it. Inside Settings, look for Language, or sometimes it's labeled Languages and Regions. Selecting that will take you out to your system's language settings. That's expected. Here's the key idea. The Copilot app uses the language set for your computer. In other words, Copilot inherits your device's display language. So if your PC is set to Korean, Copilot will use Korean. If your PC is set to Spanish, Copilot will use Spanish. The app doesn't maintain a separate, independent language switcher. Instead, it follows whatever your overall system language is configured to. When you land in the system language area, you'll see the language your device is currently using. Changing it there changes the language across Windows, and Copilot will follow that change. Because this affects the whole system, Windows may ask you to sign out and back in, or restart your computer for the change to fully apply. That's normal. Before you confirm, make sure you've saved any open work so you don't lose progress. After your device finishes signing out or restarting, open the Microsoft Copilot app again. You should now see Copilot in the new language that matches your system settings. If anything looks unchanged at first, give the app a moment to refresh or close and reopen it to make sure the new language is fully applied. And that's it. Your Microsoft Copilot language is controlled by your PC's language settings. And once you update those, Copilot will match automatically. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and now you do. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.